Yo guys, and welcome back to another video. As you know, my name is Alexander. On behalf of Anthony's Espresso Equipment, I'm so pumped. We are opening a brand new machine once again. We are back with another unboxing. Next video, stick around. We're going to be doing a usage video for this bad boy too. So without further ado, let's crack this baby open. I want you to see it. I want to see it. I want to see the new feature. Well, we're not going to test the new features right now, but we're going to have some fun with this. So let's trusty knife, get this baby open. I should probably stand up for this. Ooh. So we got sent this one from Philips, and it is the brand new 3200 series Lattego, and I have no space here. It's a brand new 3200 series Lattego. This is the one with, obviously, like, it's from the Lattego series, so you are gonna have that automatic milk frother, which is amazing and a fantastic feature. Now this one, box down. Okay, we're good. This one is to the right side. So this one, as you can see, Lattego right here. This one actually has the, let's sit down and talk about it. So this bad boy right here is the Lattego, but with the iced coffee functionality as well. So big difference, big upgrade, which is super sweet because you've got those really convenient buttons on the side as well that will allow us to just hit the button and get going. As we've learned already, it's super easy to do. So let's crack this open. What do we have here? So pop open the top, just got all of your packaging. Okay, good protection. And then got a box here with scoop, and what else do we have here? Oh, greasing. That's good. That's smart. And then we've got our product manuals and instructions, and then we have our bottom tray as well here. We'll put to the side for right now. So now this is done. And oh, that's smart. So it's a little baggie, so you just pull it right out. Oh, smart. Just be careful. Please be careful. So it is around the bottom. So like I said, do be careful. Please be careful. So I'm just gonna put that box down to the side. We've got some front components over here, and then all this nice packaging. You know it's coming secure, that is for sure. Ooh, this is sweet. This is cool. So, as we wanted to make sure pre-grounds go in here, and then just regular coffee goes on the top here. So I'm just gonna take some of these bad boys off. There's an aroma seal. That's cool. So, as I said, just top hopper. Obviously, we're gonna load that bad boy with some good quality beans, of course, too. So, let me figure out how to take this off this portion. Put this beside, and the cable. So, these are good now. Okay, that is beautiful. So now we have this metal piece. It's just a blast to take off. There we go, look how crispy that looks. Now, this, obviously where the grounds are gonna come out, inserted right in, and we're good. Amazing. Let's make sure this is on right. So, absolutely zero instruction, because I feel like I know what I'm doing. There we go. Beautiful. This is really nice. This is really beautiful. All nice and crispy there. Warnings and instructions on top. And one last final piece is I should be more careful with these boxes. How do you open this? Oh, geez. Like you're trying to get me in trouble for opening this the wrong way. So, there we go. Now, this is, as we know, the Lattego functionality. This is cool. I like this. Oh, okay, so all of the pieces. So satisfying. That was cool. So, milk's gonna go in here, obviously, as we have seen. Probably don't need that. Now this fits on, so this clicks here and then goes on top. Oh, it like literally clicks in. So what is this then? Does this just sit on top? Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna figure that out. But for right now, so we have our water piece here. Does this just go directly over top too? Maybe? No, that can't be it, right? Well, we should pull out some instructions and figure this out. Now, this is water filter that we don't need right now. Aqua Clean for descaling. And yeah, so this is everything. This is a really beautiful machine. So, like I said, all of your very simple functionality. Make sure you got your warranty and everything in here too. We got our quick start guides, obviously, and we're just making sure that we've got like simple. This is simple. This is nice. This moves up and down here. This is a hot water spout already. I'm going to figure out whether or not this just goes right on. I feel like this goes right on. Right. Oh, there we go. I was right. I was right. I don't know why. Maybe this just stays on so you can just take it right off. You put your milk on, click that lid back on, and this just sits like this. That's nice. So yeah, this is beautiful. I absolutely love this. So all of our instructions and everything are here. Don't need them. Obviously, I know what I'm doing. So as I said, this is a absolutely beautiful machine. I am very pumped that Philips allowed us to do this review and this unboxing. So very excited and very much looking forward to actually trying this bad boy out as well. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram. And I can't wait to actually do a usage video for this. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great night.